Hey everybody, it's Jeremy with Spirelight Web. In this video, I want to talk to you about anchors. I want to explain what they are and how to use them in your Spirelight website. Basically, an anchor is a point on any given page to which you can assign a link. And so you have probably seen these when you're browsing the web. Let's say that you click a menu item, and rather than navigating to a new page, the menu simply pushes you down the page to a certain point. This can be helpful if you have a longer page and it has a number of different content areas on it, and you want to create a link that doesn't take you to a new page, but rather it takes you to a certain point on the page that you're already on. And so that's really what an anchor does. Let me show you how they work in the Spirelight Web Editor, and then you can hopefully utilize them moving forward on your website. So basically a link, or rather an anchor, can be assigned to a row, and that row serves as the point to which your link can send traffic that clicks it. And so let me explain a little further just by walking you through it. Let's say that on this page we wanted to name this row. We wanted to create an anchor out of this row. We would simply click here on row, and we would go set as anchor. Once you do that, it's going to ask you what the name of the anchor would be. So let's say this particular one is going to be our mission. That's as easy as that. I could just click add. When I do that, it's going to log this as a new destination or an anchor link in the system. And if I keep this box checked here, it's also going to add it to the main navigation. Now, just for the sake of example, I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to keep this checked. I'm going to click add, and you'll see that it shows up right here in the main menu. Okay, so let's see what happens when we go preview. I'm going to go preview, and I'm going to click our mission, and you see it scrolls right down to the very top of this row. So that's the basic behavior. Now this just simply acts like a page now. Even though it's not a page, it's a point on an existing page called an anchor. But I can order this like I would any other page link in the main navigation. I can go over here to pages, and I'll see that our mission has become available here in the list of pages. And you'll see the small anchor icon out to the left of the title, which just designates it as an anchor. And so you know that's not an actual page, rather it's an anchor on the page. So from here, I can change the name of the anchor. Right here, I can change the name of it, and also, well, I wouldn't change the name of it here, but I can select the page on which it exists and the anchor point that it points to. I could also rename it if I wanted to, rename it here like this. And I could move it up and down in the stacking order. Let's say I wanted to add it as a submenu item here. I could do that just like this. And you'll see in the menu, it's going to show up like this, okay? So that's basically how an anchor works, and it's really pretty straightforward. And so you can use those throughout your site to create reference points to which you can link menu items and that sort of thing. So if I wanted to remove an anchor from this page, I would simply click on that row icon, and I would edit anchor like this, and then I can delete anchor just like that, and click yes. Okay, so that's how that works. And then of course you want to make sure you republish the page once you're done making those changes. But hopefully this helps you understand what an anchor is, how it works, and how to implement it in your Spirelight website. If you need additional assistance, please feel free to reach out to me, support@spirelight.com, and I'll help you as best I can. Thanks. Have a great day.